Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with SmartThings to automate door locks and lights. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, ensure your smartphone is connected to the internet. Download the SmartThings app from your device's app store. Open the SmartThings app once the download is complete. If you do not have an account, tap on Create Account. Fill in the required information, including your email address and a strong password. Check your email for a verification message from SmartThings. Click the verification link in your email to activate your account. Return to the SmartThings app and log in using your credentials. Once logged in, tap on the Devices tab at the bottom of the screen. Select the plus icon to add a new device. Choose device from the list of options presented. Scroll to find the category for locks or lights based on what you wish to automate. Select the specific brand of your door lock or light. Follow the on-screen instructions to put your device into pairing mode. Connect your smart lock or lights to your Wi-Fi network when prompted. Once connected, customize settings as desired for automation. Return to the main dashboard of the SmartThings app. Tap on Automation to set rules for your devices. Select Add a routine to create a new automation scenario. Choose triggers such as time of day or when you arrive home. For example, set a routine to unlock your door and turn on lights at sunset. Test the automation to ensure everything works as intended. Monitor your devices through the app to make adjustments as necessary. Explore additional features in the SmartThings app to enhance your smart home experience. With these steps, your door locks and lights are now automated through SmartThings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.